Hello, and I'm back. Right, today, like I said, we're going to make spells and that. So, if you watched last tutorial, we made like a little face thing and XP bar, and we got the levels like kind of working. So basically, today, what we're going to do is we're going to make spells, but not just spells. We'll make spells for different classes. So also we'll have to I have to get a fix for the female and male selector because every time you go into the game, if you're female, it changes yourself to like your colour of your pants when you walk. But I'll have to get a fix for that, and I'll just put that in next tutorial when I find a fix. So just ignore that for the moment. But what we're going to do today, oh my nose is running so much. Alright, what we're going to do today is we're going to do different, like, you select your class and you get different thingies, different spells. So 1 second, I'll just have to see this for a second. Character customization. Alright, yeah. So this marker, make character. Alright, so class changes. I'm just making sure we've got the class, like, so it changes working. And you just need to select this. I think it's in background. No, must be in foreground. Still not foreground. Character, there. So this changes class equal warrior. Alright. Oh, my nose is so running so much. I just woke up. Alright. So I'm just thinking of ways so we can make the powers, but first we're going to have to like draw the powers. So we're going to VCAM. Oops, don't block it. Going to a power, spell slot 1, spell slot 2. No, that's still spell slot 1. Oh, they're all spell slot 1, but they've got different instance names. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to delete this because I was planning on using a different system where you drag your spells in, but it's a lot harder to implement, and this is just a simple RPG game. So what I want us to do is actually delete that. Oops, not the camera. And we'll break this. We'll convert to symbol again, and we'll call it, we'll move clip, call it spell 1. 2 seconds, I'm going to pause the video and turn the light on. It's really dark in here. There, and I'm back on the light on because I couldn't see a thing. Just move me wires now out of the way. Alright, go on this spell. We just made spell 1. Am I recording? Yeah, I am. Right, spell 1, and we'll just firstly on the first frame, what we're going to do is going to write, because this is just a simple game, we don't need to like use any code like for this bit. So just on the first frame of spell 1, we're just going to write unlock. I spelled lock wrong. Unlock at level 1, 2. But actually, we're not. Scrap that, because we don't need to unlock. We don't need to unlock the first spell, because that's just stupid. But what we're going to do is we're going to make 3 frames. I'll tell you why we're doing this in 2 seconds. And on the first frame, put a stop function as always, so it doesn't loop through. And let's think of a spell for a druid. So I don't know how to draw like a cat. Huh? Alright, we'll just do this. That's the worst cat ever, but whatever. I'm sure you can make better cats. That is terrible. Alright. So that's the druid spell. You'll understand in a second. So the first frame is the druid spell. The second frame is the warrior spell. So we'll do a knife. Like a sword thing. That's the worst sword ever. Gonna do it this way. A sword like that. And then for the third one, we'll just, was it a mage? So I'll draw like a spell kind of thing. Like, kind of like this. If I can get it right. Yeah, that'll do. A spell like that. Oh, my voice is gone. Alright, so what I want to do is you want to do that for all the spells except the two at the end, because we're going to use them later. So we'll just duplicate that and we'll break that. Actually, no. Yeah. We'll break that. Copy that again. And again. And again. And also one more time, but this one's going to be over there. So you don't want to draw anything for these spells yet, because I'll tell you why. These are going to be the two spells which you can like pick. They don't just come to you automatically. You like learn them. So it gives you a bit of choice. So we'll be doing that later in the series. But first just customize all these. But I'm going to just probably pause the video and customize all of them. So just convert spell. I'll tell you what I'm doing first. Spell 1, spell 2, spell 3, spell 4, spell 5, spell 6. My voice is really going today. Spell 7. And then just leave them. You don't even need to make them a symbol. Not yet. Okay. But I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to customize all them myself. This take ages, so I'll have to pause the video. Alright. I couldn't think of any more spells, so I just done 3 for example. You can do the lot once I show you how to actually do them, so yeah. But first what we're going to do is zoom out, and what we're going to do is we'll fully out actually, and actually before that we'll go into the cam. I don't know where I'm going today, and we'll just give the spells instance names. So S1, I'm just going to name the ones I've done. S2, S3, name the lot of these. S4, S5, S6 and S7. Don't name these because we haven't made these move clips yet. We'll be using these later for choice. But that's what you've got to do. And what I want to do is go into the action script, and actually to make it quicker, I'm just going to copy this bit, and we're going to put it where it says make character. Make character. And we're going to say if class equal druid underscore root dot cam dot s1 dot go to, and my hands are so cold, can't barely type. Stop 1, because Druid spells are always on the first frame. Druid spell, Druid spell, Druid spell. But if you go forward, second frame is a warrior spell, second frame is a warrior spell, and second frame's a warrior spell. Like that. So just copy this, go paste this 2 more times, S2, and if you make S3, S4 and S5 and S6, well S4, S5 and S6 and S7, you just copy this 7 times, put S3, S4, like that. But I've only made 3 spells for now. I'm only using 3. I'll make more later, but that'll be later. Probably not in the video time. I'll just show you what I've done. I won't do anything, I'll just make more spells. So it takes quite a long time to draw them all. So if your class equals warrior, go to and stop the second frame, all these spells. If your class equals mage, go to and stop the 3rd frame. So go warrior, you got all the warrior spells. Go mage, you got all the mage spells. We'll go druid, we've got all the druid spells. You might want to make this like a bit prettier, because it's quite bad. You could, I'll have to see what you guys come up with, like in spell wise. Oh, I'm losing my voice today, I can't barely talk. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make it so you have to unlock your spells at levels. So it's quite easy to do. We'll just duplicate that. We'll make it 24, slightly bigger, and 21. Break it. Turn it a different colour. Cover it, symbol, movie clip. Actually, we're going to make it a button actually. Button. Stopper. Colour it to that. Actually not. Colour alpha equals 0. No, we don't want to make it 0, we want to make it just slightly seeable, like 30. So you know it's unlocked, you know like it's locked, but you can actually see what the spell's going to be, like that. I want to delete the outlines because the outlines don't look as good. So like that. And then over, I'll write something like spell unlocks at level can't say that at all. Spell unlocks at level, oops. Level could try that, putting it above the frame. Just see. Spell unlocks at level. Or could put it over here with a space. I've got a better idea actually. We'll make a dynamic text here. And we'll just won't write nothing. And just put it like here. Just in between here. and this is where the text is going to show up and stuff like that. And over this stopper to stop you clicking the spell, on roll over. It's called message underscore root.cam dot message dot text equals spell locks at level 2. Not sure if this is going to work, but let's just see. Yeah, it works, but it's just a bit small. Maybe he's put it over here like this, the message along here. Well, we'll just put something else there instead, like all the tabs and that. But and also we'll put it on rollout because we need it to like go away if we're not rolling over the spell. So on rollout. Spell looks, yeah, look at that. That looks alright. Spell looks at level 2. Put that stop at, you can put that stop on all the spells you make, but I've only made 2. What we're going to stop for now, so so spell looks at level 2, spell looks at level 4. And I think it works the same for any other class. Spell looks at level 2, spell looks at level 4. Yeah. But now, what you want to do, well, what we're going to do quickly is going to make the first spell actually work. So, I'm not sure why we're going to do this, but it's going to be quite hard to do. But what we're going to do first is going to make a function called spellcast. Just go down. Function spellcast. Like that. Function spellcast, and I'm really not sure how we're going to do this to change him into a cat. Let's see. I'm thinking about loading him out and in, but I don't think that'll work. How we're going to do this? I think we'll have to. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to make a new frame. Stop. Or go to and stop 1. Then fill along a new frame. And we'll draw a cat. So I can't draw, so I'm going to pause it and go draw a cat. Alright, it's really bad, but the best cat can do. Looks more like a tortoise. Okay, so on that cat you can go convert to symbol and movie clip, cat walk, well, cat idle, and then you can make another like frame with its walk animation, plane along here. Maybe I should show you how to do that. Oh, 2 seconds. What you want to do, I'm thinking here, we could like make a frame and then put animation inside. That would probably be easier to do. Yeah, we'll do that. So break that, convert to symbol, cat, walk. So go in there and we'll just make a walking animation. We don't need a stop function because we're using a different method. I'll show you in a second. Like its tail is swaying, but that's the best I can do. Wow, what a good cat animation. Terrible. Alright. What I want to do is I'm going to go in here and go if cat equal true, we actually need to make a new variable called cat. Go up to the top and we'll go player game vars, put this in, and just go classes druid, then var cat boolean equals false, go in here, if cat equal underscore cat equal true, well equals false, this dot play, else this dot go to and stop. What frame was it? 10. So if else is stuck, stop. Same here. Same here. Same here. And then if the cat thingy false, else this dot go to and stop 9, the cat idle frame. So I think we've got that working. What I want to do now is want to go into VCam and we want to go underscore root dot spell cast, well on press spellcast druid cat form. Druid transformation. We'll just call it then cat. Alright, so now what we're going to do to cast the spell is 1, 2. Actually, we're doing something stupid here. We don't need a spellcast function yet. We can just change cat form from here instead of like sending all this stuff. I'll just go root dot cat equal true. Yeah, I did like that. Like that. And then if cat underscore root dot cat equal true, false. Else if true. This is so we can change back. Like that. That's good. We'll just need to put some effects on that. But that's one spell. You do exactly the same for the tree spell at level 2. Actually, you can't because we haven't put it on so it unlocks at level 2. We'll just put the stopper on. But to do that, you just go. You can just do this. I think unclip. I don't know if you can write unclip events on event. I think we'll get error here. Yeah, we will. Right, copy all that. And do you know the stoppers? Make them movie clips instead. So paste that back on. Event if levels equal 2 equal is more than 2 or is greater than 2, then what do we want to happen? Oh yeah, unload movie this. So just copy that over to here. For 2 seconds. Right, sorry about that. Right, so where were we? If it's equal or greater than 4, turn this to move clip, yeah. Paste that back in. 2 seconds. Ooh. Oh, oops. Greater or equal to. Can't believe I put that wrong way around. Go. Yeah, like that, and that should work when you level up. This should remove, I think. I'm going to cut this tutorial short because I have to go, but I'll upload this and I'll upload the file for it. But next tutorial will just be finishing off this and making it so our spells work for all the classes, and I'll tell you how to do like the shooting spells for the mage and the and like the hitting spells for the warrior. So, and we'll finish off, we'll do healing spells and that, and we'll put some effects in the tutorial after that and get a spell system working. So hope you enjoyed this and hope you can make all your spells, well, halfway, well, all your druid spells anyway. Maybe it's a healing spell. I'm sure you know how to plus life. So Thank you for watching, subscribe, and next tutorial will be out as soon as possible. Alright, bye.